In 1979, Don Conrado Escudero and his siblings made the bold move of starting to open his family's hacienda to the public. A self-contained coconut plantation, Villa Escudero was founded in the 1880s by Don Placido Escudero and his wife, Doña Claudia Marasigan. Originally planted to sugarcane, the crop was converted to coconut by their son, Don Arsenio Escudero, in the early 1900s. A pioneering agro-industrialist, he built the country's first hydroelectric plant to supply his desiccated coconut factory, and Villa Escudero, which he and his wife, Doña Rosario Adap, built in 1929. Upon arriving from his studies in the United States, their son, Don Ado, knew that the only solution to overpopulation was to give people work. He then thought that a tourism-oriented business was perfect because it required a lot of labor. Thus began the transformation of Villa Escudero from a plantation into one of the country's major tourist attractions. Villa Escudero officially opened to the public in 1981 and today has a worldwide reputation as a showcase of its rich history, cuisine, dress, customs, and natural beauty. Tunay naman pong napakapalad natin at ang tumanggap po sa atin dito sa Villa Escudero Plantation and Resort ay walang iba kung hindi si Don Conrado Escudero, Presidente at General Manager nitong facility na ito. At breaking news po, it has just been named one of the 24 top destinations in the world. Ano una natin gagawin, Chef Lito?
Ay, ma'am, di ating pong ipapainit itong ating itong ating multulyake at una po natin itong anito oil. Okay?
Ayun. Ano-ano po ba ang maaring tumubo in between inyo?
Aba, madami. You can have mga side crops. Ang hindi lang magaling is corn because it competes with the soil, no? But everything, kamote, legumes, anything you can plant.
So it's also a
very good also for cacao. You can plant cocoa trees in between.
So it's a very hospitable environment. Okay. At,
napakadali naman yan.
Tayo po yung naggisa ng usual bawang, sibuyas, carrots.
Yan, sila na isa chicken.
Yan. At ang susunod ay, ano po yan?
Ma'am, chicken liver po.
Chicken liver.
Chicken liver. Okay, ma'am. Then, pinch of ground pepper.
Naku, malaking pinch yun.
Okay, ma'am, the next is soup stock.
Chicken po.
Chicken and vegetable.
Chicken and vegetable.
The garbage.
Ang coconut oil, like any other oil, pagka hinhydrogenate ninyo, ay will become like yung mga ginagamit sa mga nung una, yung mga matigas na mantika.
Yung lard, no?
Lard, oo.
Ang pang alat ninyo, patis?
Patis, ma'am.
Hindi asin?
Hindi po, patis.
Okay. Pero mas masarap nga. Okay. Yun. Yan.
Ang bilis.
Ang bilis talaga. Kakatuwa naman. Okay.
Then,
Lagyan
Chinese coriander.
wow, sarap. Wansoy?
Kinchay.
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 inside. Sa amoy lang eh. O, sasabihin ba na yung inferior yan?
Hindi po. Sarap,
Sa amoy lang.
sarap po. Maraming salamat.
Salamat po. Thank you.